Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My name is Sunny and I'm back with another DIY project. Today I'll share how I sculpted a tiny owl. For this project I'm using one of my old projects, a photo holder, and this is a perfect cuboid of plaster that I could reuse to sculpt my tiny owl. First I drew a profile of owl on this plaster cast, and then I got to the sending part and I formed the base shape of an owl. And at this point I spray painted the entire thing with white color to make it more firm, which would help me when I get on to the more detailed carving. Next I drew the details for eyes and the wings and I carved it. Once these details were complete, I spray painted it again to get a smooth base on the sculpture. And now I have a blank canvas to paint on. For this project I decided and tried my best to make some miniature designs. And in end I glued 2 round crystals for eyes, and our project for today is complete. I hope you enjoy this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my work on Instagram at creativeheadhm. I will see you guys soon. Thank you for your love and support. Love and light. Bye.